Hey guys, I made a really big mistake, but I think that everything turned out okay. Thanks for watching my video. It is finally fall here. The mornings are cooling off. We're getting mist and fog rising off of the water, and there are colors outside other than yellow and green. So I ran out to the lake the last 2 mornings with my Canon 90D and my R6 and the Sigma 150-600, hoping to get some pictures of some cranes and some ducks and egrets and some of those orange needles that are popping up on the cypress trees now. And it was going to be part of a comparison video for the Canon 90D R6, but I checked everything except for my codecs on my 90D and I shot all of that in JPEGs. And that happens, right? Sometimes. Anyway. So that video is going to come out next week. I hope you enjoy this video. Please help me out with the algorithms by hitting the like button, and let's get started. Well guys, that's all that I have for now. Please check out my channel for more like this. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Next week, the R6 90D comparison video with the Sigma is coming out, and I will see you next time.